Stepping outside of the studio the other day gave me the opportunity to do something a little different and out of my comfort zone. Hi, my name is Jessica Amerson, and I am a Nashville-based photographer. I primarily shoot lifestyle, fashion, and portrait photography. So the other day, I made my crew wake up really early, and we did a beautiful sunrise shoot with a Nashville-based blogger and influencer. Her name is Shelby M. Hall, if you want to check her out. And it was great. The sun was just rising, it was misty, and we did a beautiful ethereal shoot, which is something that I am more of a storyteller when it comes to most of my work, and I was able to give a little bit of life to a model who isn't typically used to being in front of the camera in a very more high fashion and storytelling way. So it was really fun to do that with her. Stepping outside of the studio gave me the opportunity to do something a little different and out of my comfort zone. I was able to work with artificial light and natural daylight to kind of give me a little bit more of that depth and ethereal look that I was going for. So my setup for the other day was a Einstein with a 47-inch Octabox and a Vagabond battery pack. I set it up just to the left or right of my model, giving a little bit of a 45-degree angle. I really love that Rembrandt lighting kind of look, and so I was able to use that as well as the sun rising behind her to get a very magical and misty look. So this was my first time actually working with Tether Tools, and I have to say it was honestly so perfect because I had a small crew. Even though it was small, I had a stylist who was helping me, and I was able to show my crew what was going on. They were able to make changes as needed, and I was able to show my model, who, like I said, has not really ever done modeling work of this caliber, what her angles were and what her poses were. So it was really helpful on that day to kind of give me an idea of what I was shooting and everybody else around me to make sure that we were going smoothly. Even though I'm not originally a Nashville girl, I am all about community and this community specifically, and so when Paul C. Buff reached out to me to work with them in Tether Tools, I was completely ecstatic to do that. Their tools are so easy to work with, the lights are amazing, it's great for when you just want that constant look and you're able to capture, and it really helps with my editing, so I couldn't be more thankful to be working with such a great company. Alright guys, well thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope that you learned something. If you want to learn more about me, my Instagram handle is Jessica_Amerson on Instagram, and hit that subscribe button. There's some really cool learning opportunities happening here, and can't wait to see you all next time.